Hello, my name is Benita. Today I want to introducing Scratch Air. First, we open up Scratch Desktop first. We need to wait it. Okay, wait. Then we will select it. Now I want to introducing this first. This is to show and this is for hide. This the name we can change the name become cat. Cat. This is for the size. The minimal size is 10 high, 100. We can change it into 200. We'll make it a little bit bigger again at 2000. See, they're big. We can drag it and we'll see it. It's very very big. But when you put it here, you cannot it. Only in this package, in this white board. This means we still cannot. This is to make it like this. This to make this is a bit big and this is a bit small. Then this is to make it big and this is small. And this is to make this become big. Like to play is to stop. Actually, I can it become bigger again. 1000. Okay, then we can hang it become 0. Then 1. Let's always check. And the bracket is 19. We can point the bracket every time we want. Or we can click it in here and 19. To pay this is to choose, we can choose it for pay. Surprise that she gave it very surprised. Like even text private is no, but when we click it, it will give something that we doesn't know. It's like a potion. When we pick surprise, it will be random. Or she picked it or some keys for me. Wow, many. How to pick the surprise again? The basketball, more. Wow, truck. Sige. Think ano nga some surprise. Easel. A fruit salad. Now, I don't want all of it. How to erase? You just click this. Rubbish bin. It will be true. Erase, 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 erase. Then it's just that same as we can make it a surprise. Surprise us and give. Okay. Not one. Good. Not next. Not. 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 I doesn't want. So I just pick it by myself. Just a bit top. And I'll pick blue sky. Okay. That. Did you pick it if a color? The blue will be like this. It means she will we can coding it. Okay. First I will explain about motion. Oh, before the explain of costume. For the costume, we can tag it. Like we can paint it. I will paint her ribbon and paint a ribbon to her. We can paint anything. This is convert. We can factor it. Mean uh, pixels. If it's not pixels, for undo, and for red. Okay, and this is for picking. Like we pick her head. We pick her hand. Pick this. Go to before. Use it for making it a bit bigger. It is yeah. She can pick it. It will be very very big. Hmm. Two. For erase, we can erase each. We can paint and make it a seam. Paint, paint, paint. Make text. You is make the color. Next, make it to make the outline. The outline is black, so we can make uh something that you want. We can we can fill it inside and close up and make a square. I want you to erase it all, but how? How to make it? We can copy and we can paste it. There's two. Flip, we can flip it vertical. One back. It will be in the back. Okay, how to erase it? We just pick this. We can delete. So very fast to delete. Like go to Vivo, it will go very fast. Here. Oh, wait. Next is to zoom. This is to zoom in and this is zoom out. Now to add one motion first. This is part one. There have files. This is to translate you from where as where there's some meaning. I pick English. The Indonesia, Prancis, Spanish, mayonnaise. There's file how you can make a new project, load it and save. Next, edit, restore. Oh, this is edit. We can restore all the file, but we doesn't want it. And there's tutorials. You can like make a tutorial how what we see one. Okay, how to make it. Let me see. I'll see how we can make. I will. You just click it, and there will be like this. Ring up, and be like this. She will make it like this. Just like this. Fine. Like this. Okay. He'll tell you from this to the exit. Now we will explain about motion. For move 10 step, we move 10 shields. Move 10 step. Turn right 15 degrees. She will turn 15 degrees. Turn left, right. Turn left 15 degrees. You can turn it left 15 degrees. Go to random position. It means you go to random position. Go there, go here, go there. You go anywhere but it will in random. Now point to go to movement. She will go to most painter my person here and she will go it. But she cannot go to here. Go to this place. So she only can be in here. So follow me. Next, how to raise it? We just put it in here. Now go. We can make it go. How to go to X? Yeah. You exit. You can make it 0. Tap 0. Okay. Next we will make go to X. It means we can go to X. Now glide sack. It means you glide it. In 1 second is the fastest, and another one is fast. And after we can make it 5. Very very fast. That is to go somewhere else. Like before, but we need to make like we make to 0. Tap 0. So glide to 0 and 0. For glide 1 time. Next, point direction 19. So point it. I'll point it become go to here. 118. 108. And she'll make it and she'll go point direction go that left. So how to make it before? We only need to make it to 19. Next, point to it. She point to the remote painter. My point painter in here. My point painter her. How did she point anywhere? But she cannot move. She like only move the direction, like spinning. Follow me. I going to pick and erase it. She will see. She follow my where did I go and where did I should go. She will only point towards. Next, change x. We can change x to 10. Like we made it 0, then like plus 10, 10, 10, 10. That you can minus it. You can only give some minutes. Then minutes until 0. Okay, this is the same. We can set it to. We can set 0 to x9. We'll set it to 9. How to enter 0 again to 0. I don't want to change it. I'll make it 0 in here. Can you see maybe we'll change x by 10 go up and she can go down with minus. Okay, set x to 15. You can it too. Like she go to 15. It can like go to 0. Set to 0. We can change set to 0. Just set to 0. Next, set rotation style. Oh no. First one. If on edge bounce. Hello, well, I want to explain forever and we need forever to explain about it. Forever, we can make it forever. She cannot stop it to do like she will go like to the position. She go forever and she cannot. She will go forever. My X bound in any time she touching edge, she will bouncing. Okay. Next, set rotation. We had B and C. This is all around. She can turn like a circle. Go right, left is me. She only can go right, left. She cannot make. She cannot all around. This is me. She cannot turning. Meanwhile, we made it. Make it until 20. So it's same. You can rotate all around. I'll set the ratio to all around. X. I will explain it later. Not now. Goodbye, y'all.